The main piece of this work is called In Pursuit of Venus Infected. In pursuit, I love that idea of endeavour, because there are so many endeavours within the work itself. Venus is also associated with this name love, or aroha, or aloha. Infected kind of the idea that once you know something you can't unknow it. Charvet was very canny. He looked at the illustrations which were made by artists, and they were circulating around Europe in the 1800s. So he gathered a number of those images together and then created this incredible wallpaper. But what he has is like versions of versions of versions of versions, so they become further and further removed from the truth. What I liked about them as an artist is thinking about those artists who originally went out and created portraits of very famous people like Tupaia, and really think about presenting the imagery and the ceremonies that we perform, but also just the fact of by being there as living, breathing people. There's a great reckoning as people come to look at the work, and that is to kind of complicate it and just to indicate that there are many different stories and many different ways of living and many different philosophies. My initial feeling was to talk back through time and really make people rethink what they think of the Pacific. But hopefully, with taking the time, you can come to an empathy and seeing things from multiple perspectives